Let's discuss seventh question in exercise 13.2. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 cm and radius 60 centimeters standing on a hemisphere. Let's draw the figure. See, this is a solid. Here, cone standing on hemisphere. Given radius of the cone is 60 centimeter and radius of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter and height of the cone is 120 centimeter. Okay. Radius of the hemisphere is 60 centimeters is placed upright in a right circular cylinder. This solid placed in cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. See, this is the cylinder. Here we have to place this solid into the cylinder and the solid touches the bottom of cylinder. Okay, the cylinder filled with full of water. Okay, when we place the solid into cylinder, some water is overflown. Okay, so find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Here, when we placed into cylinder, some water is overflown. Okay, and remaining some water in cylinder. Here you have to find the remaining water. Volume of remaining water. If the radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter, and its height is 180 centimeter. Solid placed into cylinder. See this diagram. Here solid placed into cylinder. Okay. The solid touches the bottom of the cylinder. Some water is overflown. Here we have to find the volume of water left in the cylinder. How much amount of water left in the cylinder? Volume of water left in the cylinder equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Remaining water. Okay. Volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Remaining, it gives remaining water in cylinder. Volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of solid. See this solid? This is volume of solid equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 minus into plus minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here pi is common. Radius of the cone is 60 centimeter and radius of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter and radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeters. R is same. So R square is common. Height of the cylinder is 180 centimeter minus 1 by 3 into height of the cone. Height of the cone is 120 centimeter minus 2 by 3 into R. Radius of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter. Pi value 22 by 7. R square is 60 square. 180 minus 3 ones 3 40s. 180 minus 40. 3 ones 3 20s are 60. 2 20s are 40. 22 by 7 into 60 into 60. 180 minus 40 minus 40 minus 40. 180 minus 80 is 100, which is equal to 22 into 60 into 60 into 100 by 7. So 22 into 6 into 6 36 00 into 100 by 7. 36 into 22 2 6 12 2 3 6 7 72 72 2 9, which is equal to 792 0000 by 7. Units are centimeter cube. Units are centimeter cube. Centimeters converted to meters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. In place of centimeter, we can write 1 by 100. Seven nine two 0000 by 7. Centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters whole cube, which is equal to 792 0000 by 7. 1 by 100 whole cube, which is equal to 1 cube 1, 100 cube is 000000. 4 zeros, these 4 zeros are get cancelled, which is equal to 792 by 7 into 100. 7 ones 7, 7 ones 7 threes 10, 7 ones. Approximately this value equal to 1131 by 100, which is equal to denominator 2 zeros. So this value equal to 113.1 by 100. In denominator we have 2 zeros, so point moves before 2 digits. 1.131 meter cube. Okay, therefore volume of water left in the cylinder equal to 1.131 meter cube.